The Assembly witnessed tense moments after the Voice of the People Party rejected the expert committee's recommendation to retain the 1972 Meghalaya State Reservation Policy Framework unchanged. VPP Chief and Nongkrem MLA Ardan Miller Bisayamoit, moving a short-duration discussion, clarified that there was no demand to reduce the existing 40% quota for the Garo community. Instead, he proposed increasing the Khasi quota to 47% while keeping the Garo quota at 40% within the 50% constitutional ceiling. Calling the issue very sensitive in nature, Bisayamoit said many in the Khasi Jaintia region were deeply shocked by the committee's decision to maintain status quo amid concerns that changes may not withstand judicial scrutiny.
On the state reservation policy, state of Meghalaya. So I feel that I need to remind this August House that though we are discussing a very sensitive issue, we are doing it with a great sense of responsibility. And again, I would like to remind this August House that when we asked the government to review, we were not asking, to take away the rights of our Garo brothers and sisters. However, we are here to present the fact before the government and the need to review this policy. I don't want to many questions that may be drawn from the report. However, I want to move forward and place some submissions before the government so that we will understand why we raised this issue. So, on behalf of the people and on behalf of the voice of the people, sir, we know that the people of Khasi Jaintia region are not accepting this recommendation, and indeed they were in great shock to see that the recommendation is to maintain the policy of 1972. So, and one of the main reasons that this recommendation made in this report is that there is an apprehension that if we review or change this policy, it might fail the judicial scrutiny. So, sir, this is a legislature where laws are made in the legislative assembly. And in many cases, we have come across that judicial will hardly interfere with the policy matters of the government. However, sir, I would like to go to the original reservation policy adopted in 1972. When you read this Para 1 and Para 2, you can, if you read between the lines, you can understand the minds of the leaders who frame this policy. So, in Para 1, in pursuance of Clause 4 of Article 16 of the Constitution of India, and keeping in view the inadequacy of representation